At Newbridge Silverware here, we do a tour of the entire factory, of the process of manufacturing from start to finish in our jewellery manufacturing and our cutlery manufacturing process. It gives the tourist an insight into our authentic manufacturing process within the company here, especially in our EP&S cutlery and our jewellery that we manufacture. Basically what the people see in the tour is how we cut out our jewellery, the full process from start to finish of how it's cleaned up, polished and plated. And in our cutlery manufacturing that will be brought into the forge, we start the cutlery process which hasn't changed since 1934. And then we will bring it right through the factory. You will see it from start to finish, the full process. Manufacturing of spoons and forks, handles and assembly of handles to blades, and full plating of both as well.